Hi kids, how are you? Hope so you are good. Today I am going to tell you a story about a cunning fox and a foolish crow. Once upon a time, there was a hungry crow. He was very hungry. He flew here and there in search of food. At last, he found a piece of cheese on the ground. He scooped down and picked up that piece of cheese in its beak and flew up onto a branch in a nearby tree on a jungle. By chance, a cunning fox living on that jungle was walking out. The fox was also hungry and she was thinking about the food, that how could she get the food without doing nothing. And suddenly she saw the crow with the cheese. Her mouth started watering. She thought a plan and she started flattering the crow.
Dear crow, you are so beautiful and your pure black color suits you very much. And I heard from the birds of jungle that you have such a sweet voice. So please, can you sing a song for me?
And the silly crow opened his mouth and started singing. The cheese fell down from the crow's beak. The fox took the cheese and walked away happily. Moral: be aware of flattery. Flattery is a weapon that never misses. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video.